Hey there! Are you new to DaVinci Resolve 18 and curious about adding text to your videos or images? Well, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a quick and easy process on how to add text swiftly in DaVinci Resolve 18. Now, let's get started. The first step when you open DaVinci Resolve is ensuring you're in the Edit page. Click down here at the bottom to switch to the Edit page. Then, make sure you've got the Media Pool and Effects tabs selected at the top left, and select Titles. There are multiple text effects to choose from, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on basic text. You can preview the text transitions by sliding your cursor over them. Select Basic Text and drag it onto your media file on the timeline. Adjust the duration the text stays on screen by dragging the endpoint of the text box to your preferred length. The basic text now appears on your video. However, you might want to customize it. Click on the text layer to highlight it. It'll be outlined in red. Go to the Inspector tab at the top right of DaVinci to access a range of properties for editing. In the Inspector tab, you can edit the text content, font, size, tracking, alignment, rotation, outlines, drop shadows, and more. Let's change the text to something like Kubabe Shah and adjust its appearance to suit our style. And there you have it. Adding text in DaVinci Resolve 18 is that straightforward.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.